Hello dear children, a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, in today's video we will discuss the exception of octet rule. Okay, so we know that octet rule says that if a atom wants stability, it has to maintain 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, means we can say that this is the condition according to octet rule, that a atom has to maintain 8 electron if it wants stability. Okay, but in today's video we will discuss some examples in which some atoms are not following octet rule. They are either having less than 8 electron or more than 8 electron, but still they exist in nature and they have stability. Okay, so let's start the video. Topic is exceptions of octet rule. Okay, and the first category is hydrogen molecule and hydrogen containing compound. Hydrogen atom containing compounds. So as we know that hydrogen has only one orbit, okay, which is distributed into s subshell, only one subshell, that is s. Okay, this is the first orbit which is hydrogen atom is having, and it is distributed only one subshell, that is s, and s can have maximum 2 electrons. Okay, so this is the reason that hydrogen can have maximum 2 electrons only. Okay, so in hydrogen molecule you can see, suppose these are the 2 electrons of both the hydrogen, and after sharing these electron it will have maximum 2 electrons. Okay, means hydrogen atoms are not following octet rule here. Okay, as they are having 2 electrons, so we can say that they are following duplet rule. Okay, now let's take the example of a compound containing hydrogen atom. Okay, HCl. So in HCl we know that chlorine will have 7 electrons, as atomic number of chlorine is 17. Okay, and hydrogen will have 1. Okay, so in this compound chlorine will follow the octet rule. Okay, like this, as it is already having 7 and it will share 1 electron with hydrogen and will have 8 electrons, but again hydrogen will not follow the octet rule. Okay, so these are the examples of hydrogen containing compounds which will not follow the octet rule ever. Okay, so this is the first exception. Let's take second. Second is compounds in which central atom has less than 8 electrons. Okay, let's take the example of BF3. Okay, so in BF3, as we know that boron has 5 electrons. Okay, so it will have 2, 3 electrons in the last orbit. Now what about the fluorine? Fluorine has 9, so 2, 7, it will have 7 electrons. Okay, so let's draw the electron dot structure. BF3. Okay, I will show the electrons only. Okay, I will not form the bond. Suppose these are the electrons of boron. Okay, 3 electrons. Now for fluorine atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in this compound fluorine will follow the octet rule, as it is already having 7 electron, and 1 electron all the fluorine will share with boron, and in this way they will have 8 electrons. Okay, means they will follow the octet rule. But what about the boron? Boron is having 3 electrons which it is sharing with 3 fluorine, so at the end it will have 6 electrons only, which is less than 8. Okay, so this is the compound in which central atom has less than 8 electron. You can take one more example here. Let's take BeCl2. So in BeCl2, beryllium will have 2 electron in its outermost shell, okay, and chlorine 287, it will have 7 electron, okay. So let's draw the electron dot. For beryllium 2 electrons, and for chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. So in this compound both the chlorine will follow the octet rule, okay, like this, as they are sharing 1 electron with beryllium atom, okay, but beryllium will have maximum 4 electrons here only, which is again less than 8. So in beryllium chloride, beryllium is again not following the octet rule, but both these compounds are stable and exist in nature. So this is the exception of octet rule, okay. Let's take the another example. Third is compounds in which central atom has more than 8 electrons, okay. So let's take the example of these category. Suppose we are talking about PCl5, okay. So in PCl5 phosphorus is having 15, so 2 8 5, and chlorine has 17, so 2 8 7, okay. Let's draw the electron dot. So in PCl5 phosphorus is surrounded by 5Cl like this, okay. Suppose these dots are the electrons of phosphorus, okay. I have to show 5 dots as it is having 5 electron in its outermost shell, okay. Now chlorine, for chlorine I will show 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. So in this example you can see that phosphorus is having 5 electrons, which it is sharing with all the 5 chlorine atoms. So it will form 5 single bond, and in this way it will have 10 electrons at the end, okay, like this, okay. Chlorine, 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 okay. So phosphorus is having 10 electrons in this compound. Let's take another example of SF6. So as sulfur has 16 means 286, fluorine has 9 means 2 7, okay. So in SF6 S is surrounded by 6 fluorine. Suppose these dots are the electrons of sulfur, okay, and for fluorine I have presented only 1 electron, okay, as you know that it has 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. You can show all the 6 electrons like this, okay. I have shown only single electron which is taking part in the sharing, okay. So in this compound, as you can see that sulfur has 6 electron, and all the 6 electron will take part in bond formation with 6 fluorine atom. So at the end sulfur will have 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 electron, okay. So as it is having 12 electron, so it is not following the octet rule, okay. So this is the another example of this category in which octet rule is not following, okay. Let's take the another category, fourth, odd electron molecule. So odd electron molecules will not follow the octet rule, as they have odd number of electrons. Okay, now what is odd electron molecules? Odd electron molecules are like NO, NO2. Okay, odd electron molecules are the molecules which have valence electron in odd number. Okay, like in NO you can see that nitrogen will contribute 5 electrons and oxygen will contribute 6 electron. Okay, means they are having 11 valence electron, which is a odd number. That's why this is the example of odd electron molecule. In NO2 nitrogen will contribute 5 electrons, oxygen will contribute 6 electron, so they are having 6 to the 12, 5, 17. Okay, they are having 17 electrons, which is again a odd number. So both these examples, both these compounds are the examples of odd electron molecule in which a octet rule will not follow. Okay, let's see how. Let's take the example of NO. So in NO, suppose I have put the single bond between N and O. So I have used 2 electrons. Okay, so the remaining electrons are 9. So I have represented 9 electrons like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have to put remaining electrons on the oxygen first, as it is having more electronegativity. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so in this way I have represented all the remaining electrons. Now let's check the octet of oxygen first. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here octet of oxygen is completed. But what about the nitrogen? Nitrogen is having 1 2 3 4 5, only 5 electrons. Okay, so in order to complete the octet of nitrogen, we will put double bond here by using a lone pair of oxygen. Okay, so in this condition also oxygen is following octet rule. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but nitrogen is still not have 8 electron. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so in odd electrons molecule, one atom will not follow the octet rule. Like in this compound, nitrogen is not having 8 electrons. Okay, so this is the another exception of octet rule. And next is next 3 is not on the basis of number of electrons. They are in different way. They are exceptions of octet rule, but in a different way. Like octet rule is not giving any information about the shape of compounds. Okay, so this is the another limitation of octet rule. Next is, if we are having 2 molecules, okay, and we want to compare the stability, so we can't do this comparison on the basis of octet rule. Okay, and at the last limitation is that octet rule says that if a atom has 8 electron in its outermost shell, so it will have the stable configuration, means it will not react with the another atom to form the molecule. But some of the inert gases like xenon, they are having 8 electrons, as we all know, but they react with oxygen and fluorine and form compounds. So here also octet rule is not following. So these are the some limitations of octet rule. I hope all are crystal clear for you. Thank you. Have a good day.